Animal Kingdom is the title of a new collection from our friends at Hunkydory, and let me show everything that is in the collection. We're going to start with the luxury topper collection, and this is a little different. You're going to get 8 sheets of the die cut sheet. Well, first of all, excuse me, you're going to get the idea sheet. Now that's always wonderful, and then you can see some more on the back and some other products, but I'm going to show you those. Now let's go into the foil die cuts, always beautiful. So this is Animal Kingdom. So you're going to see a lot of different areas of that kingdom. We're going to start with bears. So it might be panda bears, might be brown bears, might be black bears, but they're going to all be the same. And you do get, sometimes you'll get borders, sometimes you will always get messages, birthday wishes just for you, dream big little bear, really cute with the little bears right there. And then to coordinate with this, you'll get 1 sheet of foiled adorable Scorable cardstock, and then another sheet that is printed. So all the artwork coordinates perfectly, of course. Here we have some frogs, we have dragonflies, we have swans. Again, just beautiful. And to coordinate with that, this is the foiled sheet, and this is the printed sheet. Just really nice. All the sheets are A4 size, which I like to think is a generous 8.5 by 11. Here we have Wish Big, so the orcas, the dolphins, the sea turtles, and some fish. Just really gorgeous. And then again, the foiled piece and the printed piece. Great. Now we're going into Africa, so we have zebra and giraffes and elephants, just everything. We will always be stronger together. I think that's really nice. You've earned your stripes. Well done. Isn't that fun? And then the foiled sheet, love elephants, and the printed sheet with those sweet giraffes. Now, this is a different one I didn't expect, but we have some florals and, of course, the dragonflies, butterflies. They're part of the animal kingdom, and so that works out perfectly. And everything is gold foiled in this collection. Here is the foiled sheet, and here is the printed sheet. Oh, so pretty. Now, we've got some other parts of the animal kingdom. We have some horses, we have an elk, and eagle, just really pretty. Soar confidently in your own sky. We belong together, and many happy returns. Very pretty. And here is the foiled sheet, and here is the printed sheet. Now, we have more. So we've got the peacocks, we've got hummingbirds, we have flamingos, and another bird. So wishing you a perfect day. Love is in the air. Gorgeous. And here is the foiled, and here is the printed. And we've got one more set. Here are the tigers and the cheetahs, just absolutely gorgeous. Go get them, tiger. Be strong, be brave, and courageous. Good luck. Hope your day is wild. And here is the foiled, very pretty, and the printed. So you can see this is quite a universal collection, and it's all called Animal Kingdom. Now, to go with that, of course, we are going to have inserts. Now, the inserts, as you know, are ghosted back images of what you just saw. And in this sheet, there are 48 sheets, so it's a really bonus pack. You're going to get 3 each of 16 designs. So let me show you. And it's going to be 3 sheets of every single foiled or printed adorable Scorable that was in the topper collection. So you can see the elephants, the flamingos, and I'm just going to go through this quickly. The butterflies and the horses, butterflies, the pandas, orcas, peacocks, bears, the brown bears, the frogs, just absolutely love those, and the swans, and the dolphins, giraffes, elk, and the tiger, and the cheetah. So you have all of that, so that's going to coordinate just perfectly. Then we have the adorable Scorable. Now, this is again, it's the A4 size, of course it is. There are 30 sheets, there are 15 colors. You're going to get 2 of each one. So let me just quickly fan these out so that you can see. And as you would expect, they are going to coordinate perfectly with all of that art that you saw in the topper collection. So this is just, hopefully I've got all of those spread out, but you're going to get 2 of each one. So this is quite a rich, colorful assortment. Now, to go along with this, we have a little book of Animal Kingdom. And this is, let me see the measurement. I think it's like 4 1/4 or 3/4. And someone has taken my ruler. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is going to be a very strange looking ruler to you. It is 4 1/4, 4 1/8 by 5 3/4. Okay, we'll get in a little bit closer just so you can see the artwork. And in this, there are 144 sheets, including 24 designs. And let me show you, and then you get multiples of each one. So let me just flip through here. And just rich, you can really see the rich coloring and beautiful art here. So these will be perfect as toppers, and because you get multiple layers, you can trim them out if you like. And again, it is that same artwork, but boy, up close and personal. And I think you see really kind of more of it also. Here we go. These are printed on one side, and they are a lightweight paper, so perfect if you're going to cut out. Doesn't he look regal? And the elephants and tigers. As I keep naming all of the things, I know you don't need me to do that. So really pretty with the irises and the swans and the dragonflies and the bear and a wolf and an eagle. Oh, really pretty with the totem poles in the back. I hadn't noticed that before. I think it's sweet to have little birds with the mom and bear, and there's a bee right there. So birds and bees and bears. And there you go. The horses, giraffes. It's nice that there are multiples of them on each one, and there are those absolutely charming frogs. So all of that. And one more thing, we have stamps. Now, I know that may not be terribly visible. This is called March of the Elephants. And when I turn it over, you can see a finished image of that. So there's that stamp. Here is one that is the dragonfly. So let me turn that over and you can see. And we have the frog family. Well, you know what that looks like, just absolutely charming. And we have the peaceful pandas, and there they are, just really sweet. So the same artwork that's in the little books, that's in the toppers, you can also get in a stamp, and that's really special. So there are 4 stamps. There is the little book of Animal Kingdom. There is the cardstock, the inserts, and the topper collection. Everything coordinates, everything is gorgeous, and we're delighted to have them here at paperwishes.com.